The Royal Society of Edinburgh has taken a great interest in the Fourth Industrial Revolution, originally through a partnership with the Scottish Council Development and Industry, BT and Scotland IS, where 4 reports were published looking at the impact of digital technologies, artificial intelligence and machine learning on the economy and on society. The Royal Society of Edinburgh believes that much needs to be done in and around the policy area to build the appropriate infrastructure that Scotland needs and the skills base to ensure that Scotland can take advantage of the opportunities that the Fourth Industrial Revolution presents. More recently, the Royal Society of Edinburgh submitted a response to the Scottish Government on the Logan Review, which had been published on the Scottish technological ecosystem. The Society welcomed the recommendations in that report, particularly those where there was a focus on the need to invest more heavily in education around computer science and data, helping to build a pipeline of future skills. However, we were concerned that the report focused only on one aspect of the technological ecosystem in Scotland, namely businesses that adopt an internet-focused business model. And we would urge caution that in implementing the recommendations, the Scottish Government takes cognizance that they can't apply across the entire ecosystem. We've also been helping Scottish Government around its new digital strategy, where we were happy to host a roundtable with them, where we looked at what was needed in this next iteration of Scottish Government's digital strategy. Again, we were pleased to emphasise the need for continued investment in infrastructure to ensure that everyone in Scotland has access to digital capability. One of the things that the recent pandemic has highlighted is the digital exclusion that exists in Scotland. We were also keen to encourage Scottish Government to lead on transformation of its own services by adopting digital technologies. We encourage them too to ensure that Scotland is a place where everyone can be comfortable that their own data is used ethically and to the highest standards. And finally, we wanted to ensure continued investment in education and knowledge, an important thing for the society where our byline is knowledge made useful. So this will be a continued area of focus for the society over the coming months and years as we work in partnership with governments and society in Scotland to ensure we can take advantage of the Fourth Industrial Revolution.